0000 Here's exactly what my AI-powered workflow looks like using Gemini, Lepton, and Domo in 2026. The real setup, real tools, and yes, actual results. At the end of this video, you'll know how to automate your content, speed up your coding, and build dashboards that get you paid. Let's get into it. 0030 Why this matters. Look, most AI tools promise the world, but almost nobody shows real workflows that save you time and honestly earn you money. Here's why you need to master these AI tools now. When Gemini isn't just a chat GPT copy. Multimodal research and file upload save me hours researching and writing, especially with messy internet sources. 2. Lepton is no longer just a code snippet tool. In 2026, it works with AI-assisted search, file management, even auto-tagging for freelance projects.
That means faster delivery and more clients. 3. Domo actually delivers ROI. I use it to track affiliate income, traffic, and automate reporting for my freelance and side hustle clients. That's real, trackable value. If you want to be competitive in the AI economy, you can't just know the tools, you need to connect them. That's what I'm showing today. 30 prerequisites, laptop or desktop. Mac/Win/Linux doesn't matter. Just recent Google account for Gemini access to Lepton, and a Domo free trial account bonus. Some data to play with in Domo, CSV or Google Sheets work. You don't need any coding background, but some spreadsheet or basic prompt skills help. 0200 Step 1 Content automation with Gemini. Let's start simple. Here's how I use Gemini for creating paid content. Imagine you land a $100 contract to summarize a technical report into a blog post. That's a real job posting on Upwork, by the way. 1. Open Gemini, hit the doc upload button and drop your PDF or DOC. 2. I rate this prompt. Summarize the attached report in 600 words. Bullet points include 3 key takeaways. Use simple language for a general website. Watch this, what's better than GPT-4o? Gemini reads and summarizes images too and plugs right into Google Drive. You win, no more copy-paste. I take the summary format in Notion or Google Docs, that's my deliverable. Time spent 6 minutes. I usually charge $40-100 for this. 30 Step 2 Coding and file management with Lepton. If you hate digging through old scripts and docs, this changes everything. 2026. Lepton connects to AI-powered search. Example, a client needs a Python email scraper. Watch this, I type my need, Lepton finds my old code and now suggests updated snippets generated by on-device AI. Full screen AI auto-tag snippets by topic and client uploading new code. Lepton auto-tagged by language and project. If you freelance, this prevents you from doubling your work. Bonus, Lepton also handles images and markdown docs, not just code. I keep my project briefs. Even competitor research here, and it's all searchable with AI queries. Imagine charging $75 for a task that Lepton finds and improves your code for in 4 minutes. 3 Data analytics with Domo. Domo is underrated for side hustles. Here's how I use it to automate client reporting and flag trends that make me more money. Upload affiliate spreadsheet or connect Google Analytics account. 2. Domo auto creates visual dashboards. See clicks, conversions, revenue. Instant. 3. That automatic alerts. Example, if blog income drops 20% via last month, I get a Slack message. That means I fix SEO or email campaigns faster. So now I bill clients for data-driven consulting using literally 3 minutes of setup, then sending a monthly dashboard. Last month, this brought in $600 in recurring revenue for about 2 hours maintenance. Not guaranteed. Your results may vary. 0800 Pro Tips. 2026 AI tool power uses. Here's where it gets interesting. 1. Gemini now lets you chain prompts, paste a transcript, generate blog, and then instantly create social posts from it, all in the same chat. No more tool hopping. 2. Lepton supports AI-powered code review. I assign it to spot security flaws in old freelance code. In 2026, clients expect this. It's a differentiator. 3. Domo, try the public embedding feature. I now pitch report dashboards as live results pages embedded in client Notion docs. Looks pro, leads to repeat business. 0900 results and next steps. Let's pull it together.
So here's the end result. Blog post researched and written in 6 minutes with Gemini. Full code repurposed for new $75 task in Lepton. Automated affiliate dashboard brings in $600 and the client wants more next month. That's real AI workflow, not a demo. This is exactly how I work and get paid every week. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day and you don't want to miss the next one. Drop a comment with the AI tool you're struggling with or want to see in action. Links for every tool are in the description. And remember, not financial advice, your results will vary. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI tool content every single day. The next story is even crazier. If you like this, watch my comparison. AI side hustles that paid me in 2026. And disclaimer, not financial advice.